everybody, welcome to our virtual studio where we believe that art is for everyone. My name is Marty and I'm the music teacher with Arts for Life at Brenner Children's Hospital. And today on Music Monday, we are going to explore shakers. We're going to do a little shaker jam. And I know what you're thinking right away. I don't have any shakers. Well, how am I going to do this? Well, I got you covered. There are lots of options. You can make a shaker pretty much out of anything that's a hard container and it can be sealed tightly and hold some small objects that you can shake around and that you can hold in your hand, of course. You don't want a giant box as a shaker. That could be a little bit challenging. So something small. These are maracas I made, basically. It's a plastic ball and they have these holes in the balls and I put some tape around it, put rice inside, and then put some spoons on the sides. Taped it up, decorated it, maracas. But maybe you don't have any balls. Easter just passed. You might have an Easter egg lying around, one of these little plastic types. You just do the same thing. Put some seeds or something inside there, rice. And I put rice. And then put some tape around it. Just a word of caution. These things are prone to popping open in the middle of that shaking jam when you get really into it. And you know, that jam might lead to a different kind of jam that you're not really interested in, being the one where you just blasted rice all over your living room floor and your mom is going to make you pick it up. Dun, dun, dun. So we don't want to do that. Put some tape on there. But you may not have that either. Poof, it's not there. So maybe you have one of those little brown tubes that come out of the what was it called? The aluminum foil. Couldn't think of it. And you can put some rice in there. Put some tape on it all the way around it. I got this really cool sparkly tape. Check that out. And seal the end, of course. And there you go. Got some shaking. But you might not even have that. Or you still have tons of aluminum foil and you're not gonna get in trouble taking the aluminum foil before it's finished, right? So that option was canceled right there. Maybe there's lots of stuff out there, ready-made shakers that people have no idea are there. Like if you go to a cafeteria, and they have the breakfast section where they have the cereals and the little plastic bowls with the covering. That's a shaker. Cereal in a plastic bowl is a shaker. You can hold it in your hand and shake all day long. Even those little tiny, what do they call it? Salt. I know what salt is. Salt packets, the little flat ones that you break. They're great shakers. You can totally shake and make music with them. I took this from, I have a little boy, a little baby, and I didn't steal it. I borrowed it from him. And these are organic Puppies cereal, basically, and it's in a sealed container, a hard sealed container, and it makes a great sound. It fits in my hand, and so I can shake this all day long. It's totally awesome. And it's got a bonus feature. If you happen to have been shaking for 12 hours all day long or so, and you need some calories for your next 12-hour jam, built right in. So, boom. It's a multitasker. Oh, yeah. Okay, so there's your shaker. We figured out a way. There's got to be a shaker around you somewhere. If you want to pause the video, find a shaker real fast, this is the time to do it. If you don't have a chance to build you a shaker yet, there's other things we can do in the video as well. I'm going to do the song. I've been working on a railroad, and trains make a couple of different kinds of sounds. One of the sounds we were going to imitate with the shaker. That sound is the chugga chugga chugga, the sound of the wheels. Chugga 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 chugga. And I love that sound because when you say chugga chugga, there's a loud one. The first one's strong, chugga, and the second one's softer, chugga, chugga 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 chugga. So it has this really kind of nice, rich, dynamic quality about it. And all you gotta do is when the thing goes forward, that's the ch, and the g is when it comes back. Chugga, chugga. And you do a big one, chugga, and a soft one, chugga, 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 loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, just like that. And if you don't have your shaker yet, you can still jam with us, because there's another really great sound that trains make when they come through town, and that's the whistle. It goes woo woo. So you might be the woo wooer, or you might be the chugga chugger, or you might be just the singer. I've been working on it. That's the song I'm going to sing. Or you might be able to do all of them. This is tricky, by the way, but you have my respect if you can do the woo woo and the chugga chugga and sing all at the same time. Check this out. I'll try it. Chugga 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 chugga. Woo woo. See, I messed up. That's hard. Woo woo. Hey, I got one. All right. I bet you can do it. Try. Woo woo. Yeah. Don't forget to pull it. Right. Woo woo. Here we go. I'm going to sing the words now. Feel free to whistle. Do your train whistle throughout the entire song, and follow my chugga 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 in the song as best you can. Chugga 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 chugga. Here we go. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can you hear the whistle blowing bright and early in the morn? Can you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? There you go, get your horn. Woo, woo. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Dramatic moment. Strumming on the old banjo. Fee-fi, diddly-I-O. Fee-fi, diddly-I-O. Fee-fi, diddly-I-O. Strumming on the old banjo. You can get really fast here. You can go really super hypersonic speed. Maybe light speed. Maybe you'll travel 3 times. You go so fast, or maybe you gotta slow down because you're getting close to the end of the video. And you gotta park this thing in the station. Oh, and take a break because you're wiped out. But doesn't mean you can't do it again tomorrow and have tons of fun in the process. You might experiment with a different shaker tomorrow. Who knows? You might have 20 shakers by the end of this video from all the creative ideas you have with the stuff just lying around. I hope you had an awesome time. Thanks for joining me today in the Arts for Life virtual studio. And if you created an amazing shaker, I'd love to see it. And I'd love for you to share it in the post below. Or if you have a video of you jamming with your shaker, even cooler. But I hope you had the most awesome time. I had a great time. And I look forward to the next time we get to meet and make music together. Remember, as always, art is for everyone.